Hey guys, we're back at the Cob Barndominium, and we've done a lot of cob in a very short amount of time. Myself and Simon did over 30 batches of cob, which batches 4 5-gallon buckets of material, one of them being clay, the other being sand. So the progress that we've done is pretty outstanding. We finished a lot of window work this week, and we are only a couple of feet from the 2 lowest sides of our roof. So let's go take a look. So one of our recent finishes on our window is the top here. The other side sitting at a 45-degree angle. That's to give a better viewing angle when you're standing close to it. What we're seeing here is how the cob is going to go between the trusses. We talked about the slips a different time, but that high portion right here is about 13 feet, maybe. That's probably one of the highest portions on the roof, on the wall, except for the front. This side hasn't changed too much, because this will be our up-and-coming week's project. And it's kind of the same situation over here. This is the last place we cobbed. But we're pretty high here. We're about to hit the roof on this side within the next month or so. We're kind of going into high gear too, trying to avoid the end of the month, the end of the summer heat. We've been pretty lucky here in Texas. And we're coming around onto the front. We're very high on this side. It doesn't really matter because, we have to go to a peak of 20 feet. But you can see the last 2 rocks here have been put into place. This one needs a little trimming on the top. But in the middle, there will be some kind of glass design. Go ahead and step back. Top of that gets obscured by the trusses there. So let's go inside and take a look. So we're on the top, and besides being high on the wall and finishing a lot, I did finish a little bit of carpentry, I guess you would call it. The end of our catwalk on the second story is going to lead to a small balcony, and the roof is quite low. So what I had to do was cut down a door to about 65 inches and build a kind of a rudimentary frame until we can connect it on the top of the cob. But we'll look at that right now here. So it's a pretty short door. I'm 5'6", so I can just fit through it. To see anybody taller go through would be pretty funny. It doesn't get any taller outside either. But that is just supposed to be a small sitting area. It won't be accessed from outside or anything. And there will just be a little coffee table here and probably 2 chairs, maybe 1 foldable. It's that small. But let's take a look at it from the outside here. Since in the summer in Texas, you have to keep the door closed. So outside, it's a much nicer door outside. It's just the way we had to have it turn. So crossing this window, I think in the last video I did show this, and how we go about this process. We had bridged the gap on the top, but it was sloped downwards really hard. But as you can see now, it has been fixed for the most part. We're kind of building up as we go, but it is at least level. This is going to end up being the bottom portion of a bookshelf that I will set into here. And here in the next video, we'll probably have gone underneath this as well. And we'll just kind of show the top here. This will be a bathroom for the kids eventually. This is the back side of that arch. You can kind of see how tall the wall is getting. And then that's our little window. And I think that's about it, guys. So, as always, thank you for watching. It's not a holiday video, we're just doing an update. So, thanks a lot, and we'll see you soon.